Hi guys, this is Chandraman. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are gonna talk about the process. In this video, we will be learning about what is process, which tool we use for defining the process. It is a series of steps which is designed to produce the product or providing the services. Take an example. For booking food in online, what are the steps which we follow? We open the app, we select the restaurant, select the food from the category list, select the payment method, order received to the restaurant, delivery boy picks up the order from the restaurant and delivers the order. The steps which are being followed in this online is called as a process. Process is often diagrammed with a flowchart depicting the inputs, how the material and the information flows from the output. There will be a separate video which I will be sharing with you guys on a flowchart. So what are the benefits of the flowchart? What is the information which contains in it? And which icons when and where it has to be used. Now just take an example. You lost something. What is the process which you follow? First, you will start looking for the item which has been lost. Then there you will be getting two options over there. Whether you find it or no. So once you find the item, you will be stop looking for the item which has been lost. If you have not find it, there is the another two options which you will be looking at. Whether you need that item or you don't need that item. If you need that item, you will look for the lost item. Again the same process which get follow. If you don't need it, you will stop looking it for it. Coming to the process design. Once the product or the service has been designed, the next step is for developing, because there are few things which we have to remember. Customer needs a process which provides a quality output in an acceptable time frame with an acceptable cost. Coming to the producer needs a process which is responsibly priced for taking the inputs and generating the outputs for meeting customer expectations. Coming to the marketplace requires a quality product at competitive prices as an output from process to meet the change in a customer requirements. Supplier needs a dependable market for their products that are inputs to the customer. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. In next video, we will be talking about the flowchart. What are the benefits of the flowchart and which icon, where and when it need to be used, and what are the benefits which we will be getting out of it.